In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add highlights to Instagram without having to add them to your story. Okay, so what you would normally do is you would normally go to your stories feature by tapping on your little profile icon. And once you're on your story, you would just take a quick story, record a video, take a picture however you would like, and then you would send that to your story. But we don't want to let anyone see this particular post. So what you need to do is go out of this, discard, and then what you want to do is go onto your profile by tapping on the profile icon there at the bottom right. And once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right, and then you want to tap on settings, and then you want to tap on privacy, and then you can see an option there that says story. If we go ahead and tap on story, you can see an option right at the top. It says hide story from. Now, as of the end of 2020 going into 2021, this is the only way that you can do this, is by hiding your story from all your followers. Now, this works great if you have a literal amount of followers, but I would say anything over like 1,000 followers, this is going to get very tedious. So anyhow, if you still want to be able to do this, you go ahead and tap on hide story from. It says 0 people, tap on where it says that, and then you want to go ahead and select all your followers. I'm not going to do every single one in this video, but you would go ahead and select all your followers, and once that's selected, you want to go back to your stories section, and then you want to take your story. And now, since all your stories are hidden from all your followers, you would tap on send to, and then you would share that on your story by tapping on the share button, tap on done. And then once the story has been posted, you want to go onto your profile again, and then you can select any one of your story highlights. I'll select the first one, and then you want to select more, and then you want to tap on edit highlight, and then you tap on the add button, and then you can go ahead and add that one there. You can see it's the last one right there, and then you would tap on done, and that is done. And then you would go back onto your settings. You would tap on privacy again, you would tap on story, and then you would tap on there where it says 0 people. I don't know why it says 0, should have selected them, but anyway, you would go ahead and unselect all the people that you hid the story from to continue posting on your stories as normal. So that is how you add highlights on Instagram without adding to your story. It's a little bit tedious, but as of right now, it's the only option. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.